If you want to reverse audio, then you can easily do that in Audacity. So to reverse out an audio clip, I'm going to go around into the record button right here and then hit record an audio which I want to reverse. So I'm going to go around and click here. Hi there. So if I were to go around right here, stop it. I just don't want these. I just want these two sounds right here. If I were to play it, they are in correct order right now. Hi there. So it just says hi there. And if I want to reverse out the audio clip, I can select out the audio clip right here, and then I can go around over here onto effect. So let me just select this audio out, go around into effect, and over here you can see reverse is in effect. Click it, and then what happens is that the audio is reversed now. So if I were to press the play button, hi, you can hear that this audio has been reversed. And similarly, you can select this out as well. Right here, you can go around into effect right here, and then you can reverse it. So both of the audio has been reversed now. Yeah. And you can see that has been reversed. So similarly, you can select all as well, and then you can go around into effect right here. You can go around into reverse. Everything gets reversed out just like that. So if I were to press the play button, there, hi, you can see that the reverse effect is taking in place. So it reverses out the audio clips as you can hear out. So that is how you can reverse audio inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.